What's up guys? Today in this video we bring top 5 best crossbody bags for women in 2020. Through extensive research we did put together a list of options based on their reviews and ratings, best quality, and best selling product on Amazon. For more information on the products we've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. So like the video and share your ideas in comments section and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. On the number 5 is Alyssa Double Compartment Large Flap Over Crossbody Bag. This double compartment large size crossbody bag makes it easy to organize your everyday items. With the high quality zipper closure, it has also a magnetic snap button flap which makes it even better. It has very smooth adjustable shoulder strap. With the help of shoulder strap you can easily adjust your cross bag as you would like. It has very high quality faux leather. The hardware material that used in this bag is gold tone, which makes this crossbody bag more durable. It has one zipper pocket and one slip pocket that is inside the crossbody bag. The double compartment in this crossbody bag makes it more easy to organize your daily routine items. This bag is much favorable for the large items like tablets, iPad, laptops, etc. You can easily put your things in it. For more detail check the link in the description. On the number 4 is NOTAG Waterproof Crossbody Bag for Women. NOTAG is professional in various kinds of bags for all ages of male and female. It provides stylish, high-quality products and satisfactory service, make you enjoy the shopping experience. NOTAG try their best to be your provider and leader on the road of daily fashion. It has a smooth zipper. With heavy-duty, sturdy and strong zippers, the zipper has been upgraded and reinforced, made of excellent quality material, ensure extra strength and reliability, not easy to break. It is water-resistant crossbody bag. Don't worry about wetting the items of the bag if splashing water on the surface of the bag. It is scratch-resistant crossbody bag. Durable material of this last long nylon is a sturdy material, scratch-resistant, resistant to abrasion and fire retardant. With the adjustable crossbody strap, this crossbody bag is comfortable and convenient, allows you to wear the bag on your shoulder or across your body, durable, anti-slip and not easy to split. For more detail check the link in the description. On the number 3 is Sugo Lightweight Medium Dome Crossbody Bag. It is stylish and functional crossbody bag. This stylish medium-sized dome crossbody purse features adjustable long shoulder strap, 12 inches minimum or 24 inches maximum in drop length, with top zipper closure that can be worn many different ways. Perfect for those sunny days when carrying a handbag is not an option. Good for both traveling and everyday use. Easy to maintain, the exterior is made from high-quality 100% eco-friendly vegan PU leather, while the interior consists of a striped fabric lining and gold-tone hardware with center tassels for the front-style look. PU leather is durable and easy to clean, simply just wipe with water to keep this bag looking new. This is trendy and fashionable crossbody bag. This trendy fashionable bag features a one zipper pockets in front and one zipper pocket in back. The top zipper pocket is smooth and easy to open and close. The interior consists of a soft fabric perfect for carrying cell phones or smartphones. It can fit up to plus size, large phones such as iPhone 7 Plus 8, Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, S9, Note 5. Interior contains one zipper pocket and one slip pocket. Styling this small crossbody bag is extremely easy to achieve. This crossbody is medium and lightweight. This bag is ideal when only carrying a small limited amount of items such as small wallet, phone, hair comb, keys, sunglasses and a few makeup accessories. This crossbody bag is not intended for large amounts of items. For more detail check the link in the description. On the number 2 is Volcanic Rock Crossbody Bags for Women. It's a versatile everyday bag with adjustable strap that allows your use it as a travel crossbody bag, sling shoulder bag, work handbag, shopping bags, diaper bag for parents on the go. It's portable, packed with travel features, and water-resistant materials. With it, you can easily transition from the office to a more casual setting, seamlessly. It is only 0.3 kg, 0.35 kg, super lightweight but sturdy. Our shoulder straps are widened and thickened, one side of nylon and the other side of cotton. So it is comfortable for you even a long time traveling. Large capacity for your convenience. It features 3 zip front exterior pockets perfect for loose change, lipstick or daily essentials within quick reach. Adjustable shoulder strap. This crossbody bag has 1 main zip compartment, 3 front bag, 1 back bag, 2 beside pockets, 2 interior phone slot and 1 inside zip pocket, and for the large size bag it has 2 main zip compartment, 3 front bag, 1 back bag, 2 beside bag, 2 interior phone slot and 1 inside zip pocket. Made of water-resistant and stain-resistant, high-dense nylon Oxford fabric that is easy to clean. Just wipe it with a damp towel or wash it by washing machine. Note: please do not wash it too often, because there have metal accessories. For more detail, check the link in the description. On the number 1 is duloxetine Lightweight Medium Crossbody Bag with Tassel. This lightweight medium-size crossbody bag makes easy to organize your everyday items. It has a zipper closure and also has a front zip that is a functional pocket. This zipper pocket makes this bag more stylish and trendy. This crossbody bag has so much variety of colors. It has an adjustable shoulder strap with 25.5 drop. Faux leather is used by the making of this bag. The hardware material that are used in this bag is gold tone. It is a 1 zipper pocket crossbody bag and 1 slip pocket is inside the crossbody bag. For more detail, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.